Take command of the road in the 2013 BMW X6 xDrive 50i. This four-door, five-passenger coupe has not yet reached the 50,000-mile mark. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter six-cylinder engine. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power front seats, skid plates, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.